How to turn on Samsung phone without power button. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can open up your Samsung phone without using the power button. So let's begin with the video on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to turn on your phone but you don't have a power button, let's say, and you want to use any other method in order to open up your phone. So one of the very easiest way in order to restart your device or open up your device is using the volume buttons instead. So if you don't have the power button and you're looking for how you can turn it on, just long press on the volume button up and down simultaneously. After that, wait for your device to vibrate. After your device will vibrate, this kind of interface will appear on your screen when you continue doing so. So what that does is basically it reboots your device and it helps you turn on. So you may follow the same process. You just need to long press on your volume button up and down continuously simultaneously for about 6 to 7 seconds, and your phone will restart and start vibrating. After a few seconds, your phone will restart rebooting. After a few seconds, your phone will start rebooting and your phone should open up again. So that's how you basically open up your Samsung phone without using any power button. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.